Alright, let me see you go. That's the letter T. It's a very long T. Somebody's beeping at you. Beep back at him. Beep him. Yeah. You don't want to always hold it. You want to do lots of beeps in a row. Yeah, that's some fast code, dude. Well, want me to see if he'll call us? Want to see if he'll call us? Ready? Let's see if we find someone else. Oh, I hear. Ready? Want to see if he'll call my name?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Let go. Oh, you want to jump in now? He's beeping at you. Beep him back.
I want to find someone else to beep.
You want to find someone else to beep?
Yeah.
Well, I can't hear anyone when you're beeping all the time. Let's see. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh. Your people beeping? Beep them. Remember, we don't hold it. We send lots of different beeps. Okay, go. Nice. Let's see if they call me when I call them. Ready? Want me to call them by? Want me to show you what my name is on this?
Yeah.
It goes like this.
How fast am I gonna like this?
Let me hear your name. Spell. Is that how you spell Colin? Yeah? Oh.
He's beeping at me.
Beep him back.